How to find any background songs from a video. Hey everyone, have you ever heard a song in a video and thought, I need to know what that is, but had no clue how to find it? Well, in today's video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest way to identify any background song. So, without further ado, let's get started. So for this, we're gonna use the app named Shazam. If you haven't already, you can download Shazam from the Google Play Store. It's free and works instantly. And once you have downloaded the app, you can simply tap on Open to open the app. Now wait for some time while the Shazam is setting up on your phone. And once the Shazam app has been opened, simply tap on the big Shazam button while playing the video with the song you are trying to find. For this video, I'm playing the videos in my Instagram account from my laptop. And due to the privacy policy and copyright restriction, I will be not showing it in the video. But here, as you can see, after playing the song, Shazam automatically detects the song within a seconds. And after scanning the song, it will give you the song titles, the artist name, and even the link to listen it. And just like that, you have found your song. And that's it. With Shazam, you'll never have to wonder about a song again. With this, if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.